guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielle-ish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. So today is a little bit different. I have a video on my channel and it's called Long Hair Fast. And it's actually a vlog that I made where I take you with me on my journey to getting my hair extensions. So it's really cool, it's really informative, and I just have absolutely loved having light hair, hair extensions, ombre, long hair. I've literally never had long hair in my entire life. If you guys have seen any of my videos in the recent past, within probably the past couple months, I've had extensions. It's been really fun for me. It's been a different kind of look and I've just absolutely enjoyed it. I just wanted to come and sit down with you guys and kind of talk to you about why I took them out. These bad boys right here. So this is what the hair extensions look like on the top. They are tape-in hair extensions. They have the tape and they're actually adhesed together right now. But the hair is absolutely beautiful. I bought it online from Amazon from a brand called F-Shine. I think since it's a new year, I just wanted to go back to my old self a little bit. I am very low maintenance with my hair, so I'm not a person who really likes to blow dry. I'll curl and straighten my hair occasionally, but it's not something that I like to do often. It's very low maintenance. It just kind of does what it wants to do and I'm totally okay with that. So that was a big change with the tape-in hair extensions. They were kind of a lot of work. But if you are used to blow drying, straightening, curling, doing all that stuff to your hair normally, then tape-in extensions might not be such a hassle for you. It took a lot of getting used to. When I first got them, it was really heavy. I didn't necessarily notice the heaviness myself, but my scalp did. So it took my head just kind of a really long time to adjust to the weight of the new hair. When the tape-in extensions are put in, they put them in very close to your scalp because as your hair grows out, the tape-in extensions will grow out with your hair. So after a couple months of wearing them, I went to my hairstylist, Karen, and she took them out and she re-washed my hair, she washed the extensions, she re-adhesed the extension, and she moved them back up to the crown of my head, just so we could start the process all over again. But as you grow them out, they show more and more. I was getting to the point where I was like putting my hair up in a ponytail. I was putting like the extensions up in a ponytail basically because they were so grown out. And just like little things like showering for me was kind of a pain. Because when you're showering, you have to use sulfate-free shampoo and sulfate-free conditioner. So it's really easy to find at Walmart. You can find reasonably priced sulfate-free products, but that is something that you do have to go buy because the sulfate will break down the bonds in the tape that is holding up your tape-in extension. So if you use regular conditioner and shampoo, your extensions will come out a lot faster and they will it's just not gonna go very well. One thing that you have to be kind of ready for when you get tape-in extensions is as your hair gets used to the length, your scalp kind of gets itchy. Like at first I thought it was me, but it's not. It's just like part of the process. And I know that it probably doesn't happen to some people, but it did happen to me, and I just felt like I was itching my head like all the time. Like it was really annoying. And it took a very long time, like a couple weeks, for my head to really like fully accept the new weight and the fact that I constantly always had things in my hair like the tape and stuff like that. That was kind of a pain in the butt. But once I got used to it, it got just, I didn't even feel it anymore. I didn't even notice it. It wasn't weight. And it wasn't a problem. When you wash your hair, you want to make sure you get the shampoo all throughout everything. You want to shampoo around the bonds. You want to shampoo every bit of hair that you can that's your natural and the extension, because if you get real extensions, they're going to be real. Like if you get tape-in extensions, they're going to be real hair. You want to make sure that you're cleaning your extensions very well when you shower. Kind of makes your shower time a little bit longer, and it's kind of annoying, which again, I don't really take long showers either. So just little things that I think people could easily get used to, but just after a while I was ready to go low maintenance. Oh, here's a good one. When I went to get my hair extensions taken out and moved up for the first time, it was horrendous. Like, it was just so painful. And it wasn't Karen and the way that she did it. It was partially just my scalp being kind of sensitive. So basically what they do is they have a bonding dissolvent. So when you go to get your extensions moved up, they just douse the bonds with kind of like whatever your salon has, but just kind of an oil that dissolves the bonding in the tape. And it's really easy to take the extensions out, but I recommend getting them professionally taken out. But the process of getting them taken out and getting the excess glue removed can be kind of painful if you have a sensitive head. It was a struggle for me. I was standing on my toes. I would say it was not fun for me. I think I understand now why my mom always kept my hair short when I was little, because just getting those out like would be brushing a child's hair with sensitive, like with the sensitive head, was just, it was a nightmare. It hurt really bad for me. But like there's a lot, it's just all little stuff. And a lot of things that really got under my nerves, but it was just the repetition of when I showered, the shampooing took me forever. I tried to do as many conditioning treatments as I could, but I kept them sulfate free. I realized you need a lot of dry shampoo because it is a pain in the butt to wash your hair as many times a week as you probably normally would. So I started to end up washing my hair almost once a week. So I had a lot of dry shampoo coming in my hair, and whenever I got out of the shower I had to towel dry as well as I can, and then I would have to put in a detangling treatment, making sure it was sulfate free, and brushing my hair out, blow drying it, and then I would go have to style with a straightener or curler. It was just a pain. It was a pain. This year it started out a little bit rocky for us, meaning me and my family. I have been spending a lot of time with family in the last couple of weeks. I had a cousin pass away recently, and it's been really, really difficult for my family. So coming out of that experience where you just see someone so young go so quickly for reasons that you didn't know existed was really hard. And I don't really like to come out and be super personal on my social media, but this is kind of goes with this video and kind of why I decided to make a change with myself. It was very eye-opening seeing someone so young go so quickly without really anything we could have done. So coming out of that, I just really wanted to go back to my old self. My hair is it's really dark for what it normally is naturally, but I wanted to go something a little bit different, kind of 2018 refresh. It will fade in the next couple days. I only got it done yesterday, but I wanted to take my extensions out. I wanted to go back to, like, I call it the OG Danielle hair. It's just more my style, it's more my speed, it's less maintenance, and it's just, I feel like, more of myself. My short bouncy hair. But I know a lot of you have followed me from the beginning, which is amazing, and I love it and I appreciate it, and you guys know that this is the OG Danielle hair. But for all of my new followers who have just started following me within the last couple months, I just wanted to kind of let you know why I decided to take my extensions out, kind of tell you just the maintenance process of taping extensions. One of the great things, and don't get me wrong, I absolutely loved my extensions. They were totally worth it. The great thing is this hair is so healthy. It is incredibly healthy still. I've been using this hair for months and it's just still in such great condition. So whenever I want to, or whenever I'm ready, I can always go back and bring these to my own little hair care professional, and I can have her put them back in for me. So I'm really excited to keep these and to put them back in my hair in the future, and I'm just stoked to be feeling myself and excited for a new year. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of great things happening this year. I'm excited to really focus on my school and to graduate this year and to just be myself and love my family and love my friends and enjoy life this year. So I thought I would start by getting rid of all my long hair, going short, and having it be bouncy and dark. And I'm just ready. I'm ready for a new year. So that is it. This is me signing off of my little chit chat video for you guys. If you want to see more from me, please let me know. I would love for you guys to subscribe if you want to see more of my content. I know this is kind of all over the place and super chit chatty, but I just wanted to come and like sit down with you guys and just kind of tell you a little bit of why I made the changes that I did. So I love you guys, and I will see you next time.